What's up guys, it's All Day Anthony and welcome back to the Civic vlog that you hopefully know and hopefully love, because in today's video, we're gonna replace some window trim. Let's do it. Alright guys, welcome back to a short but sweet Honda Civic video where today we are going to be replacing the window trim on my 99 Civic Coupe. Now this piece of trim right here is the culprit. This is what I'm talking about. So this is without doubt one of the biggest eyesores on most 90s Hondas. This piece right here will deteriorate, it'll flake off, it'll begin to rust, it just looks absolutely horrible, and this is just something that happens to all Hondas. Now, a few years ago, I made a video where I actually showed you guys how to wrap this piece of trim with automotive wrap. So I just took like some matte black or satin black wrap and wrapped over this piece. And this is actually what I've been doing to this original trim piece for years, and it's actually been holding up okay. But finally, everything started to flake off underneath the wrap and it got exposed, and now it's starting to rust over and look horrible. But fortunately, within the last, I want to say year to 2 years, there has been an aftermarket manufacturer of these window trim pieces. So these right here, a blessing to the Honda community. Check these things out. So I got these off of eBay. You can also pick these up off of Amazon. And if I find the right links, I will make sure to link them down below. This has got to be damn near identical. The rubberization, the little kind of indent on the top there, the felt on the inside, the clips here on the bottom, everything looks OEM spec, and I am so freaking stoked on this because, again, we didn't really have this option. The only option was to buy the original OEM piece, and each one of these was like $115 if you ordered them from Japan or from an OEM supplier. And so this is super sweet to have an affordable option. These come in at roughly 40 to like 50 bucks on eBay and Amazon, which is freaking sweet. So as you can tell, this is going to be a huge improvement over kind of this wrapped piece here that is starting to fall apart. So this is going to be the driver's side right here, and yeah, that's gonna make a massive, massive difference compared to this rusted over mess here right now. So really easy install. The first step is to roll down your windows. So make sure the windows are rolled down. And after that, this is all pretty straightforward. We're gonna open up the door here, and then taking a look over here, we have 3 Phillips screws. So we're gonna grab a screwdriver and remove this outer sash piece. And then from there, we can lift and then pull this back. So let's go ahead and grab a screwdriver. Now, I know some longtime subscribers might be thinking, Anthony, you haven't made a Civic video in many, many months, and the first thing you're coming back with is a trim replacement video? What the heck? But I do promise you that this will make a big difference, because on the RSX here, which is very dusty, I actually replaced all this bottom trim here, the sash piece, all of the rubber outer moldings here, all of this when I did this car, and even that top piece, and it made a massive difference. So trust me when I say, this is going to look a lot better, and maybe it might motivate me to clean up the rest of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these 3 screws. And that's already coming off. Now for this piece right here, what you're gonna do is just simply kind of pull it back, and then this is going to kind of come back out, and then kind of just shimmy out like that, and make sure you don't break off this little plastic piece right here, because it will become very, very brittle. But that's pretty much it. Keep all of your molding in place, don't move any of that, keep it all in the same exact spot. Now to make sure that we're gonna line up the new piece exactly where it should be, I like to just take like a quick picture with my phone of where it is, and I find like the edge is pretty much lined up with this rubber edge right here, so we know where to slide the new one back onto. So from here, we'll kind of get down, get comfortable, and you're going to kind of find the edge here, and you're gonna begin rolling it upward. So these clips have to roll upward before they can roll back. So you're gonna go through like that, you'll hear them pop. It doesn't sound pretty. You'll keep doing this, going down. Again, doesn't sound pretty. It sounds crunchy, but once you get this off, you can begin to lift this up like this. Oh, there we go. There we go, Anthony. And then you can actually slide it back towards you like this. And then one more, come on. And we only broke, I think, 1 little piece. No way. Yep, 1 score. We only broke the 1 little piece. Pretty good. Now, for most of you, this is just going to deteriorate, meaning that you're going to drop a bunch of plastic down inside here. If you want, you can try to tape the inside of this to keep that going, or simply like the next time you pop off the door, you can just pull all the plastic out. It'll eventually rattle around until it gets stuck somewhere and you'll be fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, I've taken this piece off before. Last time I did it, I would take off the mirror. I would take off that whole entire mirror assembly and do it like a really obsessive way. You don't really need to do that. It's just kind of a waste of time. Just make sure you take your time pulling off the clips and it'll go smoothly. Go ahead and wipe all that dirt away there. I'm telling you, I think between trim and headlights, polish your headlights, replace your trim, restore your trim. It's gonna make your car look so much freaking better. Like this right here, embarrassing. Look how faded that is. I can't wait to go through and get all that fixed. I need to repaint my windshield wiper arms. Yeah, makes a big difference though. All right, so new piece is going on. So basically your larger lip area right here will go in towards the mirror, and your flush area is gonna go towards the back of the door here. So we're gonna slide this in, kind of find that recess there, and then bring it down, go in, and actually, you know what? I think I literally lined that up almost perfect. Remember when I told you guys to take a reference photo on where this is gonna line up? I'm telling you, I wasn't full of crap. This is how to do it. Okay, then from here, we'll go ahead, start pushing it downward. Sweet. Then after that, we'll go ahead, make sure the window works. Window regulator's getting a little slow, but you know what? We're chilling. Nice. And then for this, you can actually tilt it back towards you, kind of hook it in, find the sweet spot, and then bring it back in like that. Look at how nice that looks. So much better. Now for these, do not over tighten. You're literally just going to where they're snug. And the reason for that is that if you over tighten these screws, then the actual plastic here on the outside will start denting inward and it looks very unsightly. It looks kind of jank. So you're just gonna be going just really, really subtle with tightening these things up. I mean, you'll basically get it to where they catch. You'll go in a couple twists and right when it bottoms out, stop turning. And that's it. So much freaking better. Oh my gosh. Cool. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3. And again, pull towards you. So this piece right here was wrapped with just matte black wrap, and it actually held up great. You can see some parts where it's starting to lift off right here, but even if I pull this back, you can actually see the original piece here wasn't that bad. I mean, it was just starting to kind of start to crack, but that piece was in particularly good shape. But never again do I have to wrap my freaking, get off my hand, wrap my freaking door trim. Go ahead and rotate this up, roll, we got this. We got this. No broken plastic clips, I can feel it. I can feel it. Finesse it, talk to it. Love it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start clipping. Line that up, find its home. Heck yeah, dude. All right, so like I said, short and sweet. So let's check out the final result here. So passenger side is on. Trim piece looks nice and new, OEM fresh. This one did have a slight kink to it, but I think that was my fault from when I was storing these on a shelf with a bunch of other crap, but I think it looks pretty good. Now, driver's side over here, this probably looks the best compared to what it was. This looks awesome. Fitment on this side is damn near perfect. So super, super stoked that there is a company out there somewhere blessing the Honda community by making replacement trim parts. You have no idea how grateful I am. This means we don't have to go to the junkyard anymore to find better pieces. We don't have to wrap our stuff with janky wrap. We can now just pick it up off of eBay or Amazon for super, super cheap. So anyways, that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I know I should probably make more videos on this, but if you did enjoy this video, please, please, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is All Day Anthony.